Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of Facebook Marketplace not being available to you on PC. Let's dive right in. The very first thing you want to do is reload the page. At the top left corner, you will find this icon. Click on it to reload the page. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once you've checked these, you can see if your problem has been solved or not. Heading toward the next solution, you can log out of your Facebook account and then log back in. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then select the Log Out option. After logging out, log back into your account and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If still you encountered this issue, what you can do is click on your profile picture. Head towards the option of Help and Support. Click on Report a Problem. Click on Something Went Wrong. Click on Include in Report. Now you have to report your problem to the Facebook team. So click on this drop down and from here, select the option of Marketplace. Likewise, in the Details section, you have to explain your issue. You can explain it in the same way I have demonstrated. After filling in this information, click on the Submit option. Once you submit your report, your problem should be resolved. By applying all these solutions, your issue with Facebook Marketplace not being available on your PC should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.